Hey guys, this is the Coding Chronicles and welcome to a new series on Angular. This is the first among a series of videos where we will be discussing about Angular front-end framework and how to build an application using Angular. As of January 2021, the latest version of Angular is Angular 11, which we will be covering in this series. Today, in this video, we are going to have a brief introduction to Angular, take a look at the history of Angular from AngularJS to Angular 11, and how often are the Angular updates coming in. Also, finally, we'll also discuss on how this series can help you learn Angular. So let's get started. Angular is a framework used to build client-side applications, and this is ideal for developing single-page applications where we can update the view without reloading the entire web page. Some features of Angular make it a great option to develop single-page applications. Angular follows a modular approach where we can use Angular modules and components to have a structured code base and ensure maximum code reusability. Built-in features like validations, routing, etc. in Angular ensures fast and easy development. And also, Angular supports unit testable and maintainable coding. Considering the evolution of Angular, Angular was first released in October 2010 as AngularJS or Angular 1.x. This is a JavaScript-based open source front-end platform for web development. Later, on September 2016, Angular 2 was released. With Angular 2, the platform was rewritten from JavaScript and started using TypeScript. The next version of Angular was in March 2017 and it was named Angular 4. Angular 3 was skipped because there was a mismatch with the Angular router version and the team wanted to avoid confusion. From Angular 4 onwards, Google planned 2 version releases per year for Angular, and they started using the semantic versioning. I will be explaining in detail about the changes in each of these versions in a separate video. But as of today, the latest version of Angular is Angular 11, which we will be using throughout this series. Also, please do refer to the official Angular page for further documentation. Even though different versions of Angular are being released twice a year, the basic concepts remains the same. So by following this series, you will be able to keep up with the newer versions of Angular easily. Also, any breaking changes that may come in with the future versions can also be added as a separate video. So you will always be updated in the world of Angular. So with that, let's get started. In the next video, we will get started by setting up the development environment and installing all the softwares required for development. Thank you and stay tuned.